Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Hope you're all doing great. Welcome to this new video here on Pepe. I know a lot of you are trading this. I know a lot of you are interested in this. So I just wanted to give you my thoughts on the current situation, the current structure, and the most likely next move. So let's get right into it. Now, first of all, again, if you, and I believe I said this the last time as well, but if you look at the lower time frames here, while some alerts are going off, if you look at the lower time frames, it's a bit of a strange situation. We're not really respecting the trend, and there has been a lot of volatility, of course, this week. But I think if you look at Pepe zoomed out here, this still looks extremely bullish. Even if you go to the 3-day time frame here, what you can see is that basically you have these two super clean breakouts. Where we first broke above in November already, of course, where we first broke above this level right here at 1700, beautiful retest after that as well, consolidated, and then now we had some sort of a local resistance here at 2250, which is also a psychological resistance level, and so far we had a clean break, clean retest, and a clean hold on top of that as well. So ultimately the structure right now for Pepe, in my eyes, still remains very bullish. But there are some signs, especially on 4-hour time frame, and then we get back to not really respecting the trend here. I think on the 4-hour time frame, Pepe is actually doing something different in the sense that it is still in a bullish structure here, and it's definitely still in some sort of a bullish formation. But the short term has lost some momentum, and we have lost volume across the board. All right, so this is not something for Pepe specifically. But the volume is down 35%, and I'm not sure if we actually have some open interest data on Pepe. The data is usually very lacking in what we have. No, it's pretty fine. But you can see the open interest is also, it's slowly going up. So I guess that's a good sign that we'll be able to hold this structure that we're in. But there's no massive increase, which usually signals that we can actually get a bullish breakout. Just like the last time that we actually did get the bullish breakout, which at this point of time is already last Saturday. So ultimately, I am bullish on Pepe, but and therefore I do expect some sort of a higher high eventually. So far, the main resistance level has been between 2700 and 2750. And that's a solid support level, but that's not the strongest support level, I would say. So ultimately, I am still aiming for 3000 and higher, but I don't really expect that today or tomorrow. All right, the main thing that I expect for now is stability, so that we'll stabilize and we'll be able to kind of bounce on top of this level between 2250 and 2300. I do expect to move back up to the resistance, but so that's around 2700. But the only way we can actually break through that is with volume and or momentum, but preferably both. So if we're unable to do that, then we're just going to consolidate here and hold the level as long as the bull market stays on until we actually do get that volume. Then we can get a breakout above 2700, excuse me, and then we can move up to those resistance levels. So this is something what I would expect for Pepe right now. I actually think, and it's also like getting some bullish momentum here and eventually the bullish breakouts. I think it's also very much in line with what we're seeing from ETH BTC. All right, I think on the 4-hour time frame, Ethereum has started outperforming Bitcoin again, which historically has also been very good for Pepe. So that's another reason fundamentally why I do expect the bullish structure at least to hold. It's just a question when we'll actually get higher highs. But those are my thoughts. That's what I think you need to know for now. If you do have any questions, let me know down in the comments, of course. But for now, thank you for watching. Take care and bye.